Welcome back. Now news from sports. Dempo Sports Club scored a comfortable 3-0 victory over bottom place H.A.L in the I-League Fatorda on Saturday. Dempo showed no signs of rustiness and started the final phase of the league with a bang. Dempo now have a 9-point lead at the top of the table.
League top scorer Ranti Martins was once again the chief contributor for Dempo's cause. The Nigerian goal machine scored twice to ensure Dempo sailed smoothly. Japanese forward Yusu Kato also found the target to complete a 3-0 victory for the home side. Dempo now have 46 points in their kitty, 9 more than nearest rivals Mohun Bagan, who however have a match in hand.
Let's not be selfish. They missed a lot of chances, but I appreciate the creativity of the team. They created. There are times when during the 90 minutes you don't even get a chance to score. They had chances to score. Sometimes the two of them played very selfish, and Ranti and Denzel likes to play among themselves many a times. But then these things happen. No, I'm not worried, because if you take into consideration we have scored the highest number of goals, so that's worry is over, because we've been scoring goals. Although we miss a lot of chances, but we've been scoring goals. Now it's 9. It's not open as such. We have got the most greatest advantage we have got, but then now sometimes you tend to lose focus and concentration. That is exactly what I'm worried about. If at all I get frightened with Dempos, the complacency. We got 9 points, so let's play things easy. That's what I told them in the dressing room.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
Assam beat Chandigarh by 2-0 and won the 34th Sub-Junior National Football Tournament for Coca-Cola Mir Iqbal Hussain Trophy. Assam were leading by 1 goal at the half-time interval.
Assam scored 1 goal in each half to welcome Chandigarh in the finals at Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at Fatorda on Friday evening. Assam took the lead after just 11 minutes through Milan Basumatari. Chandigarh also had their opportunities, but they failed to make them count. India captain Sunil Chhetri was the chief guest. Our reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at PrudentGoa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Bye-bye.